What is yoga? Yoga means union. The purpose of yoga is realization, to realize that is already set by nature to be in union. I am one with everything. My very existence is dependent on everything around me and everything in the universe and in life. Like the air that I breathe in, which is the same air that the plants breathe out. When I experience life as union, I'm in yoga. Yoga is a tool, yoga is a science. The system of yoga is basically inner working, the looking within where I see life perspective as they are. The tool I use to create space between me and my mind and me and my body so that I can be in present moment, so that I have the power to keep my mind the way I want it, and so that I have the foundation to experience the different dimensions of life. That for me is yoga. My name is Rosina and I'm a yogi.